Okay, another Math Olympiad question. Find the value of S equals 3 squared plus 1 over 3 squared minus 1 plus 5 squared plus 1 over 5 squared minus 1 plus 7 squared plus 1 over 7 squared minus 1 plus up to 999 squared plus 1 over 999 squared minus 1. So pause the video and try to answer. So as you can see, we have a pattern here. The numbers squared are odd numbers 3, 5, 7 up to 999. So therefore, the general formula for this, so let's write the general formula. We have T sub n. So let's use T sub n equals, so 3 squared plus 1 over 3 squared minus 1. So the general formula is n squared plus 1 over n squared minus 1, where the values of n are odd numbers starting from 3. So odd numbers starting from 3 up to 999. Okay? So let us simplify the general formula. We can write this positive 1 into negative 1 plus 2. Negative 1 plus 2, that's the same with positive 1. So that we have same to the denominator n squared minus 1. Or you can just divide this manually. Okay? So by breaking plus 1 into negative 1 plus 2, we can regroup this, and then this is equal to 1. Okay? So divide this, so we have 1 plus 2 over n squared minus 1. And then this term n squared 2 over n squared minus 1, we can break that into partial fraction, n squared minus 1. So that is equal to a over factors of n squared minus 1, difference of 2 squares. So we have n minus 1 plus b over n plus 1. Now, we need to find the values of a and b. So we can multiply both sides of this equation by the n minus 1 over n plus 1. So multiply both sides by n minus 1 times n plus 1. So multiply for each term. So if we multiply n minus 1 times n plus 1 to this, so this will cancel out. So we have left with 2 for the left side, only 2. And then if we distribute this, so the n minus 1 will cancel each other out. So therefore, we have a times the n plus 1. Okay. Distribute to b, the n plus 1 will cancel out. So we have b times this term plus b times n minus 1. So next, we equate the coefficients. Okay, so we have variable n. So we have an and then bn. There is no variable n in the left side. Therefore, the first equation is a plus b is equal to 0. Then next, equating the coefficients of constant, we have 1 here, negative 1 here, and then 2. So therefore, 1 times a, so we have positive a, negative 1 times b, we have negative b, equals the constant in the left side, so we have 2. So we can solve the values of a and b by adding this. If we add this, so b will cancel each other out. So we have a plus a, we have 2a is equal to 0 plus 2. We have 2, divide both sides by 2. Therefore, the value of a is equal to 2 divided by 2, we have 1. Okay? So next, we can solve the value of b. Just substitute a equals 1 into equation number 1. So when a is equal to 1, therefore b is equal to, just put 1 to the other side, 0 minus 1, b is equal to negative 1. So therefore, so our general formula, t sub n is equal to, so we have 1 plus 2 over n squared minus 1. So that is now equal to this, a over n minus 1, but the value of a is 1. So we have 1 over n minus 1 plus the value of b is negative 1. So we'll just write negative 1 over the n plus 1. So this is now the general formula for this expression or equation. Okay? Well, let's continue. Now, if we substitute the values from 3 up to 99, we have, how many terms is that? So if we start counting the odd numbers from 3 up to 999. So if we start with 1 up to 999, how many terms is that? 1, 3, 5, up to 999. That is equal to, just add 1 to this, we have 1,000 divided by 2. We have 500 terms. 500 terms if we start counting the odd numbers from 1 up to 999. But we start with 3, therefore just cancel this one. So therefore, we have 499 terms. All in all, we have 499 terms. Okay? So now, we can express this as the summation. Some of these terms, we have summation of 1 plus 1 over n minus 1 plus 1 over n plus 1. And then we have 499 terms. Since we have 499 terms, therefore, we have 499 1. So therefore, we have 499 plus the summation of 1 over n minus 1 plus 1 over n plus 1, where n is the odd numbers from 3 up to 999. So therefore, we can just simply substitute the values of n 3 up to 999. So we're going to have the value of S now is equal to 499. Plus, if we substitute 3 to this, if n is 3, so we have 1 over 3 minus 1, we have 2. Minus 3 plus 1, so we have 4. So that is just the first term, this part. Okay? So the next part is equal to plus when n is 5, so we have 5 minus 1, so we have 1/4 minus, sorry, this should be negative, 1 over n minus 1 minus 1 over n plus 1. So this is minus. Okay? So 1/4 minus 1/6, and then plus when n is 7, so we have 1 over 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1, we have 6. Minus 1 over 7 plus 1, we have 8. And then we continue this pattern until we get 999. So the last term, 999 minus 1. So we have 1 over 998. And then minus 1 over 1,000. So if we simplify that, negative 1/4 and positive 1/4 will cancel out. Negative 1/6 and positive 1/6. Negative 1/8, there is positive 1/8 inside this. And then before this, we have negative 100,998. So that will cancel out. We only left with the last term and then the first term, plus the 499 here. So just simplify that. Therefore, the value of S is 499 plus the first term 1/2 minus the last term 1 over 1,000. So let's simplify. This 1/2 convert to denominator of 1,000, multiply both by 500. So this is now equal to 500 over 1,000. Okay? And then next, we can convert 499 into a denominator of 1,000. So let's put 3 zeros and then over 1,000. So therefore, if we add all of this, all the denominators are now 1,000. So just copy that. So we have 499,000 plus 500 minus 1. That is equal to 499,000. 500 minus 1 is 499. So 499. 499, 499 over 1,000. And that is letter A. That's all. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from this video and see you on my next video about Math Olympiad. So if this is your first time, don't forget to follow me on my Facebook, RJ Enseñado, and YouTube, GTR Math Tutorial. Bye-bye and God bless.